Prompty app is one of the most exciting AI tools that's just hit the market, and today I'm going to dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a digital marketer, entrepreneur, or just someone exploring the new AI wave, this software could be the game changer you've been waiting for. The first thing you should know is that Prompty app leverages advanced AI algorithms designed to simplify and streamline your workflow. It's built for efficiency, making it perfect for anyone who needs to generate content quickly without sacrificing quality. Whether you're writing blog posts, crafting social media content, or even creating marketing emails, this app automates the heavy lifting for you. One of its standout features is the customizable templates. With Prompty app, you're not stuck with generic outputs. You can fine-tune the content generation to match your brand's voice, tone, and target audience. It offers a lot more flexibility than some of the other tools out there, and that's a big advantage for anyone trying to maintain a consistent brand presence across different platforms. Now let's talk about the user interface. It's incredibly intuitive. Even if you're new to AI software, Prompty app doesn't overwhelm you with complicated dashboards. The layout is clean and the navigation is simple. In fact, it's designed to get you started right away. That ease of use can save you hours, especially if you're running multiple projects. Another thing worth noting is the speed. Prompty app delivers content faster than many of its competitors. Whether you're generating blog ideas, social posts, or anything in between, this AI works fast, ensuring that you meet your deadlines with ease. If you're working in fast-paced industries like marketing or e-commerce, this could be a lifesaver. But let's not forget the quality. The AI behind Prompty app is incredibly advanced. It learns from your preferences and gradually improves its outputs, making your content even more on point as you use it. This means you're not just getting generic AI written content, you're getting tailored solutions that evolve over time. One thing I absolutely love is the collaboration features. Prompty app allows teams to work together seamlessly. You can share templates, adjust content on the fly, and even leave feedback. If you're managing a team or working with clients, this makes the process much more collaborative and efficient. Now, for the crucial part, you can actually try Prompty app for free from the first link in the description below. Yes, absolutely free. This is a great opportunity to test it out for yourself and see how it fits into your workflow without any commitment. I also want to highlight one of the best aspects of Prompty app, its integrations. Whether you're using it with your email marketing software, your social media tools, or your CRM, Prompty app seamlessly connects with other platforms, ensuring that your AI-generated content flows directly into your existing systems. This makes it not just a standalone tool, but part of your broader marketing ecosystem. To wrap things up, Prompty app is a solid choice for anyone looking to boost productivity and streamline content creation. It's user-friendly, fast, and capable of generating high-quality, customized content. If you've tried other AI tools, you'll find this one stands out for its adaptability and ease of use. If you're looking for more AI tools to help with your business, I've got my recommended AI software list in the description below, including ones you can try for free. After testing thousands of tools, I've handpicked the best ones to save you time and get results. So make sure you check it out and don't miss out on the free trial for Prompty app. It's time to let AI do the heavy lifting for you.